Kia ora, and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. In today's episode, we will look at using Hāpara's free, high-quality digital content to provide engaging learning opportunities that are easy to differentiate to meet the needs of all learners. Let's start by browsing the content in the Discover section of Hāpara Workspace. Begin by going to app.hāpara.com. Select Workspace. Click on the Discover tab. Please note, your district must be subscribed to Hāpara Workspace to access this content. If you are not subscribed to Workspace, please contact your technical administrator in your school or district. Imagine that you need to teach a unit on the French Revolution. You may have taught this unit before or been newly assigned to teach this content. You may need to find all new resources or supplement what you have already created. Let's explore how we can search for content in the Discover section of Hāpara Workspace. There are many different ways to search for high-quality digital content. Search by keyword, explore subjects, find standards-aligned content. You can also refine your search by subject, grade, and standard by clicking the drop-down here. We will choose the keyword option and search for the French Revolution. What you will see is any workspace that has been created and publicly shared by Hāpara teachers worldwide. You can open each workspace and preview the content, standards, and outcomes. If you find relevant content you would like to use, you can make a copy of the entire workspace, and it will become yours to edit to best suit the needs of your learners. We will make a copy of this public service workspace for the French Revolution and then make some edits. The newly copied workspace will appear at the top of the Owned by Me section of My Workspaces. To begin editing this workspace, all you need to do is click on the title to get started. One way that Hāpara Workspace empowers learners is the ability to create customized learning paths for all learners. Let's add some groups to this workspace to differentiate the content. Adding groups lets you easily personalize instruction by assigning targeted resources for your learners. You can create groups to support a variety of instructional purposes, such as grouping by ability level, adding enrichment, providing support, and creating a group just for the teachers that could contain teacher notes and assessment keys, for example. Another fantastic feature of Workspace is the ability to add co-teachers. You can add another social studies teacher within your school or district and collaborate with the English language arts teacher or the visual arts teacher down the hall. You can also add instructional coaches or inclusive education teachers to support your learners. By adding co-teachers, you can then build a workspace together. This French Revolution public service announcement, once created for a social studies class, has now become a cross-discipline activity that will benefit educators and learners. High-quality digital content creates engaging and interactive digital classroom environments. It helps learners with multiple pathways to demonstrate learning. Learner activities can be adapted and customized to meet learners' needs and interests. Engaged learners are more likely to retain information, explore further, and actively participate in learning. Thanks for watching.